said that we would always be. Without you I feel lost at sea. Through the darkness you'd hide with me, like the wind we'd be wild and free.